I'm going to talk to you about loading paper into printers in non-standard fashion. Most printers that you will buy load paper from the top, but some printers either load from the bottom or give you at least the option to load from the bottom, such as this printer. It has a tray built underneath that can be pulled out, and paper can be added to this, and it's adjustable to fit the different sizes of paper. Most standard printer paper is A4 size or letter, and if you pay attention, there's different markings that'll tell you how wide you need to pull your tray for your paper to fit. And once you've loaded your paper into the tray, you can slide it in. And on this particular printer model, we can choose between loading through the bottom tray or the top tray. And there's a feed switch here and an indicator that tells us whether we're loading paper from the top or the bottom. And since I've inserted paper into the lower tray, I'm going to switch the feed switch to the bottom. Some printers also automatically detect which tray is carrying the paper, so check your printer's manual if you are curious about that.